Meaning of faction.
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 Faction. A faction is a group of individuals within a larger group who share common interests or goals and work together to achieve them. This term is often used in politics, business, and other organizational settings. Factions can be either positive or negative, depending on their motives and methods. Positive factions often contribute to the success of a group by providing new ideas and pushing for change. Negative factions, on the other hand, can create conflict and hinder progress. It's important for leaders to manage factions effectively in order to maintain a healthy and productive group dynamic.